Welcome to Perusall. In this video, you'll learn how to use Perusall in your course. Let's start by opening up your course. When you enter, you'll see a navigation bar on your left. Home will take you to all your courses, book clubs, and archive spaces. Library shows you all of the materials you'll use throughout the course. If you need to purchase a book, you can do so here or when you open an assignment that includes your book. Assignments show your segmented coursework. Assignments can include book chapters, documents, videos, podcasts, web pages, peer review assignments, quizzes, and more. Please note that assignments appear based on your instructor's settings, so you may not see an assignment until a specific date and time. In each assignment, you'll see the course material, deadlines, and instructions. Some assignments may have multiple parts, such as videos or quizzes. Click Work on Assignment to begin. If your assignment includes a book you haven't purchased yet, you'll be prompted to do so upon opening. You'll also see the multiple parts for assignments to your right. Once inside an assignment, you can start reading, watching, and commenting. For text, highlight the text you'd like to comment on, and a comment box will appear on the right. You can write your comment and customize it with formatting. Insert math, emojis, GIFs, images, links, videos, or polls. You can also dictate your comment using voice input. When you're ready, click Post Comment. Now other students can reply to your comment and start a conversation. You can tag classmates in a comment or tag a comment as a question. If you like or agree with a comment, click the check mark to upvote it. To respond to a specific part of someone's comment, highlight the text and reply directly. When commenting on an image, use the Highlight Figure tool in the top toolbar. You can drop a pin or drag across the image to add your comment. For videos, click the plus icon in the upper right corner of the reader screen. The video will pause and you can write your comment. The right-hand toolbar also gives you access to assignment information, conversations, all conversations, start comments, search tools, dictionary, generating citations, bookmarks, notes, read aloud features, and your group members. You'll also notice that different materials like text or video offer different social learning tools. Under Chats, you'll find announcements, general discussions, and direct conversations. You can also use hashtags in your comments to connect ideas and organize discussions. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, contact us at support@perusall.com or click Get Help within your course.